I'm gonna be a star.
Hey, so we have Ms Sunina here out at Jumbo Juice in Sundance Square, and she's gonna allow me to do her brows. And so hopefully I do well, and we'll see how she likes them. So do you usually wear makeup?
Yeah.
How often do you wear makeup?
Occasionally.
How? Like maybe like every day?
Like once in a week.
Oh, once a week. Alright. Don't even look like you got anything on. I just do it quick.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey y'all, so I had to do a rush eyebrow job. Like, it was crazy. The Sundance security or police or whatever made me stop. I cleaned off her brows, put on a little quick pomade, made sure that I followed the curvature or the line of her brows, and it appeared as if she didn't even have makeup on at all. But I banged out her brows though in like 5 minutes. So we are on the scout.